Hey guys, I hope that you all are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a simple matcha green tea. We all are aware about the innumerable benefits of matcha. It is full of antioxidants, it's great for your heart health, it boosts your brain health, it's good for your liver, it helps in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer, it aids in weight loss and so much more. Now the good news is that matcha green tea is fairly simple and easy to make. Now only if you want to make it in the traditional way, that's when you would require, say, the handmade bamboo whisk, the tea bowl, the bamboo measuring ladle, the spoon, strainer. But honestly, I do not own any of those, so I'm going to manage with what's available in my kitchen, and trust me, you can still get that perfect matcha green tea to sip on. So guys, you can heat water in a pot like I just did, or you could also heat water in an electrical kettle, whatever is available. Now guys, you need to be mindful of one very important point, that is matcha green tea needs to be prepared in hot water, not boiling water, right? So if you have water and it's boiling, set it aside for a minute or two. Ideally, the temperature should be around 80 degrees centigrade for the best aroma and taste to your matcha tea. But if you want it to be a little mellower, you could probably hang on till it's a little more cooler. 70 degrees would be the right temperature in that case. So keep that in mind. Do not use boiling hot water to prepare your matcha tea.